Hey everyone, this is Cameron McBride, Senior Enterprise Portal Developer with XTIVIA. Today I'll be demoing Part 2 of the XTIVIA Demo Android application. In Part 1 of the demo, we showed you how to create powerful mobile applications using Liferay Mobile SDK and Liferay Screens. Today we will be building on that to add in push notifications using Liferay's new Liferay Push plugin. Using Liferay Push, we are able to send real-time push notifications to users using standard Google Cloud messaging or Apple push notification system. We're able to do this while staying totally within the Liferay ecosystem, and we do not have to integrate with any third-party push notification services. Push notifications isn't the only thing we've added into our mobile demo app. We have totally revamped the article listing to have a card-style list, keeping with material design and Google standards. This looks similar to Google Now or Google+. The new card view shows a lot more information about the article, like a thumbnail image, author avatar, and much more. We have also added category subscriptions. You can subscribe and unsubscribe from categories. This is how Liferay knows which notifications to send you. Stay tuned for the full demo. We got a lot of great new things to show you in Part 2 of the XTIVIA mobile demo app. So let's jump right into things. When we launch the app, the first thing you're going to notice is that the article view has been drastically revamped from Part 1. Now we're pulling in a thumbnail image that's displayed for the article. You have the author, created date, you have categories. We're pulling in the author's avatar photo. So each posted article can have its own thumbnail image. You can see a lot of these thumbnail images here. How we're doing that is we're using a structure and a template. Here we've created a new structure called thumbnail, and it looks just like a regular web content article, except there is a new spot here to select an image that you want to upload, and that's the image we're pulling in. The next thing over in the navigation drawer is the My Site. We are now pulling in articles from the user's personal site. So you can see I have one article here in my personal site, Notes from Friday. So let's go and add a new article on this user's personal site. So here I'm on my personal site. You can see available sites that I'm a member of, and you can see the one note. It's the same one here. So let's add a new one. Hello from XTIVIA. So now we've published a new note. Let's refresh just by dragging down. There's our new note. Isn't that cool? The next thing I want to show you is the categories. So if we switch here to the tech highlights, we have a lot of good articles published. You can see there's categories: computer, internet, phones, gaming, got all these categories. And here we can filter down by the category. So if you only wanted to see categories for Android, now all these articles are tagged with Android. Now what we've added is a subscription. So you can pick subscribe, and now I don't have any category subscriptions yet. I'll put this plus, and now I want to subscribe to Android, and let's also subscribe to gaming. Now you might be thinking, what is this going to do for me? Well, this is going to notify me anytime someone publishes a new article and they tag it with either the category Android or gaming. So let's try that out. So here I'm on the main site, and I'm going to create a new piece of content. trying out categories. And let's tag this with Android. Now you can see we have a new notification. The notification is really cool because we're pulling in the thumbnail and we're showing you some high-level information about the article. Here's the title, we got the author, we have the site that it was added on, and we have the categories that it was tagged with. What you're looking at here is called an expanded notification on Android. You can two-finger drag it up and down and it'll turn back into a standard notification. So you can see here we just have the title and the title of the notification and the title of the article. You can two-finger drag it back down. Now, before we move on from this, if you get another notification in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send myself an email, and when it comes in, now you can see it's just the regular size notification. The top one is expanded. So again, you could two-finger drag it down or drag it up. Now let's click on the article. So when you click on the article, it's going to take you directly to the article you clicked on to show you the content. A new thing we have added is this little information icon in the corner, and it tells you some general information about the article. You got all the standard stuff: author, categories, the site. So let's do one more push notification just to try that out again. Another push notification. And this time let's pick a couple of categories. Now you can see we got a new notification. This time it shows all the categories that we're subscribed to. Or we're only subscribed to gaming, but it shows all the categories that this article is tagged with. The technology behind this is Liferay's push notification system. It acts as a middleman between the mobile device and Google's push notification system or Apple's push notification system. Once it's set up and configured in Liferay, you can use regular Liferay APIs in portlets or anywhere in your portal to trigger and send out push notifications. The mobile device registers with Liferay and says, hey, I want to receive push notifications, and Liferay handles all of the extra communication to and from Google to handle all the push notifications. It's really powerful, seems to work really good, and it eliminates you from having to use third-party integrations like Parse or Urban Airship. So that's it for this second demo. Hope you like it.